Ever opened an Excel file and found text split into weird lines inside a single cell? It looks like a disaster, and it breaks your formulas too. Don't worry, in this quick video, I'll show you how to clean it up in seconds. Let's fix messy data together. Here's our example. Column A has employee names. Column B shows their addresses, but inside some cells, the text breaks into new lines. Someone pressed Alt plus Enter to format the data. Visually okay, but not when you're using formulas or creating reports. Let's clean it up with a formula. In column C, type this in cell C2. Here, char 10 represents a line break in Excel. Substitute replace line breaks with comma and space. Now press Enter, and done. Repeat down the column with autofill. Just drag the corner. Much more readable, and your data stays intact. After replacing line breaks, use the trim function to remove any accidental extra spaces. It keeps your data looking sharp. Next, let's remove the formula and keep only the clean values. Select the cleaned cells in column C. Press Ctrl plus C to copy. Now, right-click and choose Paste Special. Paste as values. Click OK and done. Your addresses are now clean and formula-free. Not a fan of formulas? Here's a quick trick using Find and Replace. Select the cells with the line breaks. Press Ctrl plus H. In the Find What box, press Ctrl plus J. This inserts the invisible line break. In Replace with, type, comma and space. Click Replace All. Now adjust the cells. And just like that, your data is cleaned across hundreds of rows. Super fast, super easy. If this tip helped you fix messy data, smash that like button. Want more Excel hacks like this? Hit subscribe. Got a tricky Excel problem? Drop it in the comments. I read them all and might feature your question in the next video.